Yardie's kitchen. Today I am going to be doing a very simple lunch or appetizer, you know, or salad course. I'm going to make some Caprese salad. Caprese meaning the Italian tomato and mozzarella salad. And this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Sunset Kumato, which is a brown tomato, and it is a very tasty and unique tomato. It's brown, the insides are brown, and I mean, I love it. I'm gonna pull it out the pack and make you see it, and then let me show you what else I have. Over here I have some mozzarella cheese. Now this is the pre-packaged mozzarella. You can get better quality or finer quality mozzarella. I gotta work with what I gotta work with. All right, I have a little bit of parsley there. It might just not be used, but it's for garnish. I have some basil, fresh basil I got from Presidente, and I have some oregano, and of course I'm gonna be using olive oil and yeah, some salt, black pepper, simple things like that. Let's get started. Here I have cut all the tomatoes, guys, you know, and as you can see, the color is brown. It's red, but it's also brown, and I promise you, the little part I have to eat. This tomato is so sweet, so juicy. I apologize for eating in front of you guys, but may I tell you the truth? It's me alone, and me hold the camera with one hand, so bear with me. The next step now is to slice my mozzarella and start assembling. Yeah, and there is the assembled Caprese salad. I have here a little bit of oregano, and this is fresh oregano, and I got it from this brand, which is Shendoa Growers, and yeah, organic oregano, and I like it a lot. So I'm gonna just pop the leaves off the stem and just sprinkle them over my my tomatoes and mozzarella, and I'm gonna use my scissors and just cut up the fresh basil, and then I'm gonna put some olive oil, and then we see what happens from there. What do you think? It look good? Me like it a lot. Yes, there we go. Look at that. Look at that pretty. Yes, me just pretty much just take the scissors and just snip the basil and the asparagus. The oregano, yeah. And now I'm gonna add a little black pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and then I'm gonna drizzle it with my olive oil. Now, one more thing I should add: you could also add some balsamic vinegar if your tomatoes are not ripe 100% and them a little bit tangy. You can use, or they are over sweet, you can use a little balsamic vinegar if you want to oomph up the flavor a little bit. I don't know, I might do it, I might not do it. It just depends on how I feel. But that definitely does add a little bit of element to it. I have a balsamic vinegar glaze, yeah, with strawberry and all of that, which I've been using steadily from all the stores, and it's very nice. It adds a little bit of sweet element to it. It's nice when you add it to ice cream and stuff like that. You could add that too. But and then also the assembly of the Caprese salad is up to you. You could mix everything together and just dress it with the vinaigrette, or you can present it like how me present it, or you can stack it like a Napoleon if you want to. But again, it's just how you want it. All right. So next thing is the olive oil, and then we see what else develops. I saw the thing set. Remember me tell you. And here is your finished dish, guys. Yes, my original Caprese salad made Yardie way. Now what you do is you want to leave this a little bit. I have added the olive oil. I've added a little bit of the balsamic vinegar, vinaigrette, the glaze. You can see it in sparse drops around the plate. What you do is just leave this for another 5 to 10 minutes. Put it in your refrigerator if you want, and just leave it for the flavors to marry a little bit, to come together. And from there, so you're good to go. I mean, this is make a perfect you know, salad or appetizer. If you know, especially you see, like all for the man them, you say if you want to impress a little daughter or your wife, or yeah, me say wife because you know me have to impress the wife. Me can't impress no daughter. But if you want to impress a little girl, or you have a date or something and you want to impress your wife, remember me tell you, this is a perfect presentation. She will love it. Because if you put one little cherry tomato right there. So like, to share and subscribe to Yardie Belly. And hey, let me tell you something. Big things are coming for 2017. Stay tuned, comment, share, talk to your friend about it, because we are planning to do some things. God is good. Alright? Caprese Salad, guys. Stay tuned. Bless.